Now you will hear a short conversation about sharing snacks. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hi, Mark. What are you eating? It smells good.
Oh, hi, Sarah. These are my mom's homemade cookies. Do you want one?
Wow, really? They look delicious. Yes, please, thank you.
Here you go. She made a lot, so I brought extra.
This is so good. Is it chocolate chip?
Yes, it is. My favorite. What about you? Any snacks?
I just have an apple. Healthy, but not as exciting as cookies.
Apples are good too. Want another cookie?
No, one is perfect, thanks. I should eat my apple. Maybe next time you can try my mom's banana muffins.
Sounds great. I love banana muffins.
Me too. Thanks for the cookie.
No problem, Sarah. Enjoy your apple.
What is the conversation mainly about? What kind of snack does Mark offer Sarah? Now you will hear a short conversation about music class. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hi, Mark. How was your first music class today?
Oh, hi, Sarah. It was good. We learned about instruments. I want to play the guitar.
The guitar, cool. I'm thinking about the piano. It sounds beautiful.
Yes, the piano is nice, but the guitar is easier to carry.
Maybe. Our teacher said we need to practice daily.
I know. That's important. I want to play well.
Me too. Why did you choose the guitar?
My brother plays guitar, and I like his music, so I want to try it.
I love how the piano sounds, and my mom played it. She can help me.
That's great. Good luck with your piano.
You too at the guitar.
What is the conversation mainly about? Why does Mark want to learn the guitar? Now you will hear a short lecture about horses. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends. Today, we're going to talk about horses and how people use them. Horses are very strong and useful animals. For a long time, people have used horses to help them with many things. One main way people use horses is for transportation. Horses help people travel from one place to another. Before cars, horses pulled wagons. People also rode on horses to go places. Even today, some people still ride horses for fun or work on farms. Horses are also used in sports. For example, in horse racing, horses run very fast. Another sport is show jumping, where horses jump over obstacles. Finally, horses can help with work on farms. They can pull plows to prepare the soil. They can also help move heavy things. So horses are not just beautiful, they are also very helpful friends to humans. What is the talk mainly about? According to the talk, what is one way horses help on farms? Now you will hear a short lecture about the North Pole. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hello, class. Today we're going to talk about a very cold and interesting place, the North Pole. What does it look like? Well, first, imagine a huge flat area covered completely in ice and snow. It's not land like a continent, like North America or Africa. It's mostly a frozen ocean. The ice can be very, very thick, sometimes many meters deep, like a tall building lying down. It's also extremely cold there all year round, even in summer. Temperatures are often far below freezing. Also, the sun behaves strangely there. For half of the year, it's dark almost all the time, and for the other half, the sun never really sets. Because it's so cold and there's no solid land, you won't find cities or many plants, but some special animals do live there. Polar bears, for example, love the North Pole. They hunt seals on the ice. Seals swim in the cold water. The North Pole is a truly unique place, very different from where we live.
What is the talk mainly about? Why are there no cities or many plants at the North Pole?